Let's try and make it back. The waves were crazy on the way over. I think they're going to be crazier on the way back. Woo. Honestly, it must be crazy. Oh, you fucking Jesus. Woo. Yeah, that wasn't a good one. Up. Whoa, have you seen these waves? Oh my lord. You can sort of hear the big waves coming behind you. Yep. That sounds a big one. Oh, slip. This is just insane, man. Crazy. But coming here in the summer, it's a lovely walk across. The wind isn't as crazy, and you don't get battered by waves all the way down. Oh. Woo. Between the waves, I want to put the cameras down, see if you can see the crabs. See them while they're walking around. And as you walk, they start running away. See? See them all. Everywhere. Hundreds of them. Yeah.